Good morning everyone, welcome to the latest Road to RAP. I'm Richard Edwards, the BDM for Arlon in the UK and Ireland. Today we're at Auto RAP Manchester and we're doing the first ever restyling certification in Europe. Today they're up in my A7 using the Arlon Premium colour change, so let's see how they get on.
Hi guys, exam goes really nice today, but I have to tell you I'm impressed how these guys are splitting the job, how they separated two groups, so they always work 2 guys per team. And funny is that there is one guy who is injured with his leg broken, and even he stays busy because he's doing all these small things like handles and the cover of the fuel gap. We will see how it goes further.
We've just finished our first European accreditation of the new Arlon product. As you can see, it's a fantastic finish, super easy to install, great on recesses, and I think we're going to use an awful lot more of it. It's fantastic.
Hi, so we're driving now to customer place. We're going today to run a certification exam. They will try to pass the fleet certification exam. We have 2. They're taking the first one. I hope they're ready. They were trained by Dominic a few years ago now. We will see how it goes. I hope it goes well.
So right now the guys are doing the written part of the exam. There is 12 questions in total and they're allowed 2 mistakes. Each question has multiple boxes they can tick. There can be 1 or more correct answer or none of them, and then they have to give an explanation. Even if they make mistakes, if they don't exceed the limit of 2 mistakes, they will have a chance to explain to me and maybe come up with an explanation that will give them the exam. So right now they're taking the practical part of the exam. They are pretty focused. Some of them are cleaning, some of them are already wrapping. So I'll be checking the techniques they are using, the finishing, how they are post-heating and cleaning. Each of them have 4 different pieces to wrap. Can't wait to see the result. They look pretty happy and they look forward for the result as well. So congratulations to all of you. You all passed. Yeah, so we're happy to give you your diploma. Congrats everyone.
Well, I've had a really good day today. I was a little bit optimistic this morning, being a vehicle wrapper for the last 8 years. Didn't think I was going to learn anything, but Max has come in, put my worries to rest really. He taught me quite a lot of new things, a lot of new techniques. Passed the exam okay. I was a little bit worried about that because I've already getting judged on it. But yeah, excellent day, excellent course, really recommend it.
Hi, so we arrived at a customer today running for a certification exam. They are going for the printed vinyl, so fleet certification exam. We have as well the second one, color change, so restyling certification. So 12 questions, multiple answers possible. I'm asking you first to do it on your side. I will check on it, and before I do corrections, you will go through the questions once again and see if you can come up with explanation for possible mistakes. The guys are getting ready to start the practical part of the exam. I just showed a few things they asked me for going for it, so now I'm not allowed to help them. Funny thing about today's car, there is wax on it because the owner washed it last week and did this nice wax protection at the end. So the job is going to be easier for them. You pass. Congrats guys. Well done. That's deserved. Welcome to Arlon family.
Thank you.
So now with 2 certified wrapper, you can officially be partner for Arlon. And of course, some other benefits you'll be listed on Arlon website. We will recommend you in case people ask us if there is wrappers in the area.
Well done, guys.
So I'm glad to say that Thurston have just passed the Arlon Accreditation Fleet Installer exam today. They're added to the ever-growing number of Arlon accredited installers. If you want to get involved, please contact your local business development manager and we'll give you more information on how you can grow our ever-growing network.